Hi, Kindell Rerucha, Realtor with the Lucas Howard Group and board member of the Ada Business Association. Today for Spotlight on Ada, we're at River Valley Credit Union with Janelle, who's the current CEO. Thank you for having us today.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
And Janelle had a very interesting story about your mom and your family in the banking business. Do you want to tell us about that?
Oh yeah, I come from a long line of bankers. My grandma was a community banker, and I've got sisters that both work at community banks, and my mother started at a credit union when I went to kindergarten, and she actually was CEO prior to me for about 17 years, and I've been here for about 11.
That's amazing. So you actually took over sort of from your mom.
Right, right.
That's
It's a little bit of a family legacy, but we're all family here.
Well, and people don't always correlate that you're still a sort of a family business.
Well, actually, credit unions are a financial cooperative, so we're owned and operated by our members. And membership, in order to join our credit union, you just have to live, work, or worship in Kent, Ionia, or Montcalm County.
Really? So you don't have to work at a particular place or anything? You just have
No, that
to
was
be in the county.
Has to be in the county. The single employer groups were kind of a thing of the 80s and 90s, and credit unions have opened their doors to everybody in the community.
That's wonderful. And can you tell us a little bit, a lot of people don't know the difference between a bank and a credit union.
Again, the main difference between a bank and a credit union is our ownership structure. So our board of directors are volunteers and they're unpaid. So we truly have the consumer's best interests at heart, and we really want to see if we can save you money and put you in a better financial position.
That's always a good thing.
Definitely
Save money in a better financial position.
Definitely a good thing. We typically have lower rates on loans, lower fees on services, and typically a little bit higher rates on deposits.
Okay, but you can also do things like a car loan or a mortgage loan or anything like that too for your members.
We can. We have all kinds of loans, so if there's something you're looking for, come in and talk to one of our staff. We'd be happy to help.
Great, and you guys have this beautiful, beautiful new location. So if you haven't seen where River Valley Credit Union is yet, it's going to be right next to the great big new Spectrum Health building. So you can access it from Fulton, or you can access it if you turned off of Fulton onto the new Headley Street and then take a right. It's going to be right there in that building of new complexes. And you're also a big supporter of the Business Association and all of our Ada events. So share with us, what's your favorite thing about Ada?
About Ada, I just like the walking community, and there's always something going on in the evenings, but I have to say my favorite is Tuesdays in the summer when there's the farmer's market. It's great to walk down there, have a look around on your lunch hour, and grab something tasty to eat.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us today and for letting us see your beautiful new building.
Thank you.